It even gets the kitchen. It literally got the kitchen. It's going on to the dining room. Hi guys, I'm back with a natural hair video. Some of you guys polled and you answered my question, which type of video do you want to see next? So I do have a get ready with me coming after this video, or maybe before, but today's video is going to be a hair straightening video. This is going to be the last time, I promise, the last one. So you guys know my previous video that I recently did, I did a full like heat straightening comb tutorial, but this is the Liabo mini straightening hairbrush. This is from Amazon and it's a mini brush. So it promises to do the same thing that the other comb did, which was basically straighten your hair and have shine to it. It has aluminum plates on the actual like little bristles, so it helps to give a silky smooth frizz-free shine. So this is what it's promising. So we're gonna test that today. What I do like is that it's travel friendly, so that's what really made me want to try it. I actually did purchase a similar mini brush this at the same time I purchased the other one, but this company was nice enough to send me this one, so I said I'm gonna try it out. It is super cute. It is so cute and little, because like when I travel I want to go to places like Miami. I haven't been to Miami yet, so I want to go somewhere with like a lot of water and humidity, and I already know how my natural hair is going to act. Even if I'm wearing like a curly wig unit, I know that my curly wigs need to be straightened also sometimes if I want to do like a versatile look. And I'm only going to do this side, so I'm going to use this side as a comparison. Alright, so it is already hot and it has 2 heat settings. Yeah, so this is level 1. I just pressed it once. This is 180 degrees Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit basically. And it's suitable for thin and fine hair, or bleached hair, or dyed or dark colored hair. Level 2 is for slightly curly hair, thick and very curly hair, or difficult to style hair. Okay, the shade, honey. But I mean, that's the truth though, it's kind of difficult. So let me adjust it to level 2. All right, so level 2 is blinking green, and it's going to keep blinking until it gets to the higher temperature setting. So level 1 is blue, and once you click it twice, then it's going to blink green, and it's going to blink until it gets to the level 2. So, but of course you want to use a heat protectant spray no matter how high you go. I wouldn't recommend you to go too high, because I mean, you don't want to have heat damage at all. I love how shiny this product is too. It's so amazing. So amazing. Alright, so let's go ahead and get it cracking. Let's see. Let's go ahead and see if it works. Alright. I'm going to take a nice section. Like that. Let me put this over here. And I'm going to flat iron that much. Well, not flat iron, but you guys know. Okay, so it's green officially, and that means level 2. So let's see. Oh, it's hot. Oh, I can feel it. It is hot. Oh, I'm scared. It smells a little too. Like, it smells like heat. I'm scared. I am scared, y'all. This little bitty thing. Ooh, girl. I'm scared now. Oh. Girl, oh, it's working though. I'm tripping. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Y'all, this little bit. Now look at that smoke though. Well, I think that's from the hair product that I have on my hair too though. Yeah, I was wrong. I probably should have done more of a shampoo wash instead of a co-wash, but okay, whatever. Ew. I'm not gonna take it all the way through like without like sectioning, because I'm just not gonna burn my hair off. Like, I want to go slow. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Also, I want to actually do this. So I have no breakage. No breakage going on, and it's straight now. If you have like a 3 texture hair or 2, your hair will be bone straight by now. Girl. Oh my goodness. Look how shiny. It's shiny. Now this smoke is kind of scaring us. Scary. Oh, it's even getting the kitchen. It even gets the kitchen. Like, look how straight that is. It literally got the kitchen. Like, it did. It's going on to the dining room. Girl, I'm excited. Okay, I'm done. I mean, it got all the way to the dining room, the living room, like. All right, now that's it, because the bristles are kind of wide, so it's not like it's gonna be like super straight, but this is very sleek. This is very sleek. Very, very sleek. Very sleek. Now for the roots, it didn't get like super perfectly, but it did a good job. I mean, when you just want a quick flat iron, this is really, you know, what you need to do, like, to be honest. I mean, if you have to get your roots like that, you could just quickly get a flat iron and then do that. But this brush saves you a ton of time doing the actual work. I did cut my hair too. Now I'm not, oh, it's right here. I was looking for you. Where you been, girl? Where you been? All right, so I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna do big sections because I don't want to like damage my hair. I don't want to do small sections. Okay, now this would be like a blowout situation. My hair, by the way, it always reverts back. Like I've never had heat damage ever in my life. Oh shoot. So don't worry about that. Okay, now I touched my scalp with this. It did not burn. It really didn't burn me. Okay, so this is the finished side here. So this is the finished side here. It is pretty, it's straight. Like, it's really nice and straight. And had I kept going, and if I had used like different products to like a clarifying shampoo, which I didn't, I just co-washed, it would have been, I think, much straighter. But like, I'm so shocked that it actually works. Now my roots probably need to be touched up with an actual flat iron, but for $25, I really do think this little tool is really handy, especially for traveling. So yes, like this little thing, this little bitty thing, like this is still smoking, child. It's ready to start barbecue. Like that little thing, I'm so shocked that it actually worked. But like, it's funny because over here it really got all the way in here. So I don't know. So to wrap up the video, it is a huge thumbs up. Basically, for $25, honestly, this little mini brush is really handy, especially for travel. I'm just really shocked that it's so small, but it literally could straighten a full head of African American hair, like thick, kinky, curly hair, and especially, you know, the looser waves like wavy hair or whatever. So I will link everything in the description box, the link from Amazon where you can purchase it at. I've seen other YouTubers review the same one. So my opinion is just all I can give you guys, my honest opinion. So that's basically it. If you want to see me chop my hair off like to this length, then check out my previous video. And make sure you guys check out my previous hair tutorials and other videos. And thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video.